with some twerk with her. I wanna slim fine woman with some twerk with her. Twerk.
What's up, Diva Gang? Today I am back with another video, and if you are not subscribed, what are you doing? Please hit that subscribe button down below, and let's get into the video. Diva Gang, if you cannot tell by the title, today I will be doing a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. And if you are not subscribed, what are you doing? Please hit the subscribe button down below, or you can wait till the end of this video. And if you're a returning Diva Gang member, welcome back to the Diva Gang family. And if you just subscribed, welcome to the Diva Gang family. So let's get into the video. So today, Diva Gang, what I will be using like as foundation wise, I will be mixing my Fenty Beauty and my True Match blend, and so I just mix them together, and like the colors just there, it's just right. So yeah, and I think I'm going to use my Take Me Back to Brasilia palette because I haven't used it yet, and I'm probably going to use my Morphe 350 palette also for like the shades up here. Basically, I already prepped and primed my face. So the first thing that I really like to do is basically just put my foundation on. Now that I'm done putting the foundation on my face, I think now I may start contouring, then baking it with. So the thing that I will be contouring and baking with is my NYX Wonder Stick. The thing that I will be using to bake with is my Revolution Luxury Banana Baking Powder, and the shade that I am in is Banana. So then I'm just gonna take a Real Technique sponge like this. Sometimes I wet it up, sometimes I don't, but it really doesn't matter at this point. So since I already got it and I already put my like in this to make sure it's like scooped out or whatever. So yeah, so I'm just gonna get started. So basically this is it for the baking part. So after that's done, I take my Wonder Stick and I take the darkest shade. Basically I just draw a little itty bitty tiny line, like not that much, because I don't want my contour going all the way down here and then I look like something I'm not. So yeah, okay, here we go. And I really like to contour my forehead. I don't know why. I think it's because it's kind of big. And a little right here. Right there. And I really don't contour my nose because it's just not me. So now I'm going to take one of these brushes and get the contour going. Y'all see that? Okay. for a couple of minutes or whatever, I'm going to just sweep it off. And I use 2 brushes to do this because I feel like the softer brush does not get everything off. It just gets half of the stuff off. And I'm going to use the harder brush to make sure everything is off. See why I say I use 2 brushes, because it gets the stuff off, but it doesn't get it all the way off. Okay, so now I'm going to take the big brush. And basically this big brush, it basically gets everything right and get everything in place. Okay, you guys, so for my first shade, I'm going to take So Fetch and Bait for my crease. I just wish they had a mirror like on here, because it'd be so much better if they did. I think I'm going to put this color all over the eyelid. Okay, so now that I did that, I'm kind of scared, y'all, because like I'm not that good with matching colors. But let's see. I think for my crease, I may go for like more of a reddish look. So I think I'm gonna do my crease with a red, and I think I'm gonna do my crease with like this color red. This is how it looks so far, but I feel like I need a little bit more red. So I think I'm gonna do red and pink. So basically I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer right here and like put it like right here where I want the color to be at. I'm going to do the bright pink. I think I'm just gonna mix the So now I think I'm going to take like a lighter pink shade and like put it right here. That's what I found out. Okay guys, so I think I'm done with my eyelid. It looks so much better off camera, but I'm probably gonna insert a picture. So I think I may add some lashes because now my face is looking a little bit, you know, but if you add the lashes, it will not be looking this basic as it does. So you guys, I put the lashes on and now I'm finna to do like under here. I don't know why, but I feel like it looks cool, so I'm gonna try it because I never tried it. So basically I'm just gonna put a little right here in the corner. There you go. Bam, there we go, we did this thing. So now I'm going to put my highlighters on. I don't know if I want to use my Milani highlighters or my Cover Fix one because I love these ones. These are basically my favorites. And it doesn't even look like I need any highlighter on because it's just popping, baby. It's just popping. So I'm going to take my fan brush for this one, and then I'm going to do it for this one too. So I just go like this. And just going to do this like this. Yep. There you go. Then I'm going to put a little up here. But I think I'm going to take an actual brush to do that. So I'm going to take this little brush. And if y'all know, y'all already know, I always do this every time I do a makeup tutorial, which is not that often. You just put a little up here, bam, bam. Put a little up here, bam, bam. You guys, that is the look. Anyway, guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed this video and love this look like I do. I love you all. And if you have not subscribed, what are you doing? Please hit the subscribe button down below. And please like, comment, and share. And I'll see you all later. And I hope you all had a very, very good Valentine's Day. And I love y'all, Dipper Gang. Bye.